Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers. But no problem, class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. Fine. The date today is 22nd January 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay class, can you see this picture? Yes, this is the picture of a tree. The tree story, fine. I'm going to share the story of the tree. The tree is going to tell its story from the beginning until end, how it was created and what happened to him. Like it was sent to this world and how was he created by the human beings. Fine, so the tree itself is telling its story. So the person, it can be a living character or non-living character. It is a living character. Tree is a living character made here, who tells his own story is called an autobiography, because whatever I'll share some of the pictures with you and the story of the tree. So in this story the tree is itself telling his story, fine. So we come to know that the person or anything, any object that tells us its own story, that is called an autobiography. Okay, now you can see here what is an autobiography. An autobiography is the story of one's life as written by oneself. ठीक है ना, यानी कोई अपनी स्टोरी बता रहा होता है, खुद से उसने लिखी होती है. It's all about you, written by you. So you will see the word I used here. ठीक है ना, first person is being used here. First person or like I or we, as a plural we is used and I is used most of the time. ठीक है ना, because the person or any living character or any an object can tell its own story. So the word you will find I over here. Now you can see the tree over here. How does it look? It looks like evergreen tree, fine. It seems to be very green and it is very thick in size, and it seems to be very happy, fine. So since it was being made, it was very happy. But now how we people are treating him, how we people are treating the tree. The tree is telling its story to you, fine. He is regretting actually that why was he sent to this world, because he is such a valuable thing, but the human, they are not using him, using the tree in a proper way. Now you can see here autobiography of a tree. Now you can see starting letter is I, because the tree is itself telling his story, fine. I am a tree, and like God's all other blessings, I am the most neglected, uncared for and ignored entity in the world. ठीक है ना, the tree is saying about him itself, I am a tree. मैं कौन हूँ? Tree हूँ. अपना introduction करा रहा है. And like God's all other blessings, because God has created has bestowed so many blessings, just like tree, plants, flowers, rivers, streams, mountains, clouds, sky. ठीक है ना, these all are the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. तो बता रहा है कि और blessings की तरह मैं भी हूँ. I am the most neglected, uncared for. Neglected means anything that is being ignored. ठीक है ना, I was being sent as a blessing, but I am being the neglected creature now. Uncared, like nobody now cares for me. An ignored entity in the world. Entity means any object, any important object. ठीक है ना, अब मैं सबसे ज़्यादा इग्नोर किए जाने वाली चीज़ हो गया हूँ पूरी दुनिया में. Even then I was supposed to be cared a lot by the human beings, because now in the coming paragraph you will see that the tree is telling about its uses and the things that he provides to the human beings. I clearly remember the time before creation of the world when God had a meeting with me. Now the tree is telling the story कि जब दुनिया में मुझे अल्लाह ताला भेजने वाला था, अल्लाह ताला अल्लाह सुब्हाना ताला had a meeting with me. He entrusted me with the responsibility of maintaining life on earth. Fine. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the tree ensured that like the responsibility that has been given to the tree, he will it has to maintain on earth, fine. And what is the responsibility, we'll come to know. I was to be the source of life. ठीक है ना, as you people know that tree provides us with so many things. So the tree says that actually he's complaining over here, and he says that I was to be the source of life. I was to be a giver only. Like I was being sent to this world to provide so many facilities to the human beings, and I have been carrying out my responsibilities very sincerely. And now he starts to complain, and it says that why I'm saying he here, because Tree is made a living, as an imaginary living creature over here. So that's why I'm using he here also. It can also be used. ठीक है ना. अब वो क्या करे, I have been carrying out my responsibilities very sincerely. मैं जब से दुनिया में आया हूँ, मैं अपनी पूरी responsibilities, सारी जिम्मेदारियाँ बहुत sincerely मैंने अपनी अंजाम दी हैं. I give men oxygen, rains, wood, fruit, make the world look so beautiful. Now the tree says that I have provided with the men with so many of the things. ठीक है ना. I have provided with oxygen. आप लोग जो सांस लेते हैं because of the tree. ठीक है ना. Rains because of if you find so many trees in any of the places, there will be the rains. ठीक है ना. Wood, लकड़ी दी मैंने उनको, fruits दिए, make the world look so beautiful. And because of me the world seems to be very much beautiful. Yet the sinister man kills me. Now he complains over here, and explanation mark is used over here. He is actually angry and he is regretting also. Sinister means the harmful creature. And it, like the tree says, that sinister man, harmful man, now they are going to kill me. Who is more inhumane than man himself? Inhumane means cruel. ठीक है ना. वो कह रहा है कि आदमी से ज़्यादा कौन inhumane होगा? Who is going to kill me? Even though I am the source of bliss and happiness for the people. Cutting of forests ultimately endangers man's own existence. Now it says it is also actually giving the warning to the human beings that if you people are going to cut me, this is harmful for you, not for me even. I'm going to be definitely I feel sad about this, but this is very much harmful for you. Okay class, some of the words I'm going to share with you. These are the words. You can see like the words are there in the text. Neglected means not given proper attention. Giver means provider. Sinister means spreading evil, जो कि मतलब बुराई फैला रहा हो. He is calling the men sinister here. Inhumane means cruel. Ultimately means at the end of process, यानी जो चीज़ बिल्कुल ख़त्म हो रही हो. Existence means the fact or state of living. ठीक है ना, यानी किसी की मौजूदगी होना. Okay class, I felt very very embarrassed after reading this story that we people are really not taking care of the trees. I guess you people now would make a promise to take care of the trees and do as many as you people would grow as many plants as you can. Fine. Okay class, I guess you people have enjoyed reading this autobiography. Inshallah in the next coming class I'll bring some other topic of interest for you. Till then you people take a very good care of your health. Allah Hafiz from my side.